crafty friends. Thank you for coming back to Makaz Home. I have a little share for you again today. It's for a birthday challenge, and it's for Marianne from Fun Paper Arts. This is her first birthday challenge, and first off, happy birthday, Marianne. Hope you're having a great year and that you have many more to celebrate. So let's get in. So like I said, it was her birthday, so I just enclosed a birthday card that I actually made this from a Stampin' Up paper pumpkin kit that I got a few months back. And so that's just a birthday card in there for her. She did request 4 handmade embellishments as her entry, and then if you wanted to send any extra goodies, you could do that. So I packaged up 4 of these mini envelopes that I made, and I just added some journaling cards to the back of the packaging as well for her to use. But these embellishments, the note comes out so you could write a, well, I thought all of them came out, but that one seems to be stuck. So she wants to try, she could try to take it out. If not, it might just be a glue dot down there. But anyway, these are the entries that I'm sending her, and I hope she can use them on her fun projects. The other thing I'm sending her is these lip dye embellishments that I made, and I just backed them on cardstock, and they're puffed up. And then I did add this bow that I made from an AliExpress die, and some flowers with some flat back pearls. I put a paper banner topper on the back, and then I added some toppers for her, as well as some crepe paper rosettes that she can embellish as she wishes. So that's my birthday package for her. I hope she enjoys it. I hope she has a great birthday. If you guys are interested in still joining, there's still time. She does need it by November 4th. So, and the requirement is a pack of 4 handmade embellishments. So go ahead and check her out on her channel. It's Fun Paper Arts. I'll leave her link below. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'm welcoming you to do so. I just have some spooky treats that I've made off to the side from my latest pumpkin patch kit that I get from Stampin' Up. And yeah, this was last month's, and then November's is coming out here shortly. I just want to thank you for stopping by again here at Makaz Home. I appreciate you. I appreciate you subscribing and liking my videos. I appreciate all the new subscribers that I'm getting. My daughter told me not to say subbies. They're not subbies, they're subscribers. So I appreciate you subscribers. If you did like the video and you do have family or friends that you think would be interested, I would appreciate you sharing it with them. And I hope that you come back and visit me again and watch for my next video. Have a great day, and thanks for stopping at Makaz Home. Shakas!